Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I'm a huge fan of different multi-cookers and all the different things that you can do with each of them. So I've absolutely loved making you a multi-cooker time and temp chart. But I'm sure you all want to have a look inside, so I've just had delivery from my publishers with some extra copies. So shall we do just that? So first of all, can I get in? Oh yes, I can. And what have we got? We've got a multi-cooker cooking guide. Oh, look at all these beauties. Look at that. Are you just ready and waiting for this? If you look close up there on screen, you can see it covers dehydrate, grill, steam, steam roast and steam air fry, pressure cook and air fry. So for example, if you have the air fry flex straw, you can use dehydrate, grill, air fry, and the steam roast and steam air fry are easy to adapt. As well as that, if you've got the Ninja Speedi, then of course you've got lots of different settings you can use there. And it's also brilliant if you've got an Instant Pot, because you've got a lovely pressure cooker section and steam section. And then of course if you've got a Ninja Foodi like us, then you can use them all. So what are you waiting for? Have you grabbed yourself a copy yet? Because it is amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open one of these copies for you, and I'm going to give you a full flick through of what's included in it and how you attach the magnetic strip so that it'll fit onto your fridge. It's also got a hook too, so if you've got a built-in fridge and you can't put it on your fridge, then the hook system works brilliantly. So shall we get started? So let me show you how this becomes this wonderful guide and how it's packaged up for you, ready to go on your fridge or to be pinned up in your kitchen. So this is one already unpacked. You've got the magnetic strip underneath, and then this will just sit on your fridge. So should we put this to one side and actually open one for you? And that is exactly how it will look when you receive yours and it's delivered through your letterbox. So let's get started. So this is how it will look. You'll have the back there, and as you can see, you've got your sticker there ready to stick on the back. So then what you would do is you would unwrap it at the back, pop it out, and this is your separate magnetic strip that you attach to the back. It even tells you so here. It says magic sticker here to attach this guide to your fridge or freezer. So then what you do is it comes off like that. So it's really, really simple. And this is the sticky side. And then you carefully attach it like that and stick it onto your back. And now you've got your magnetic strip attached to the back of yours, just like that. And then you can flip it over and use it however you want. So first of all, you've got your front cover of the multi-cooker guide, and then if you flick it over, this is when you have an introduction to these types of cooking, and it gives you all the key information if you haven't used these settings before and you're not sure what to do. Then we have dehydrate, small section there and a bigger section on the following page. Then we have a double-sided on grill. Grill is brilliant using these gadgets. Then we have steam, again another double-sided one. Then we dive into steam roast and steam air fry. Steam roast is on the first page, steam air fry is on the second. Then for those that have an Instant Pot or similar, or just a standard multi-cooker, we have a double page on pressure cook, and then we have steam air fry. And then of course, after your double page on air fry, you can find out about our other books, because we have the complete air fry cookbook, air fry easy every day. And then if you're into time and temp charts like this, if you've not got it already, we also have an air fryer one, which is the same price, looks the same as this one, but it's split into key air frying topics. And of course that's what the back looks like, and then you can flick it over and then that's your guide. So more information if you're wanting to use this and you can't imagine cooking with it, we have done a series of Cook the Cover. So across on our YouTube channel you can find a recipe for how we do the chicken drumsticks on the front page, how we do the bangers, mashed peas and gravy. Yes, in this cooking guide it shows you how to cook the sausages, the mashed potatoes, the peas and the gravy. We also show you in this cooking guide the time and temps for doing salmon and rice, as well as broccoli, but there's more than one option. So for example, sausages features in more than one chapter in this guide, so it makes it perfect for if you haven't got all these functions across your different gadgets. And then for recipes that are more air fryer based, just like the grill feature, dehydrate and air fry, no liquid is required. So the information is the cooking time and then Celsius and Fahrenheit for cooking the food. Whilst with the steam, there's no temperature to set, so you have the cooking time and any extra notes that we recommend for things you do. And then for steam roast, we've also got information about using the probe and what temperature to set the probe to if you've got the 15-in-1. And of course, normal cook times if you haven't got the probe. So we are not saying you must have the 15-in-1 to use this guide efficiently. And then steam air fry, similar system. You need liquid for it to preheat so that it can steam and air fry at the same time. So we recommend the amounts of liquids that you see mentioned here. For example, it lists how much liquid because they're all the same for different steam air fries. And then for pressure cooking, the liquid can vary from recipe to recipe. So we have them both in millilitres and cups. Whether it's quick pressure release, natural pressure release, or you're delaying the natural pressure. And then of course, we also have plenty in the air fry section for those of you that love air frying. And then that is everything that's included. Also the air fryer, we teach you, like we did in our original guide, when to flip, shake and spray your air fry food so that you get the best results when you're cooking. So if you feel at the moment like you're always burning your food when you're air frying it, then this is for you. There is such a big range of foods included in this, and what we've gone with is the most popular foods. So you haven't got stuff that you don't put in your trolley each week. We've got salmon, we've got chicken, we've got other fish, we've got vegetables, we've got potatoes, and we've got so much more. Lots and lots of key ingredients you buy all the time. You know, lots of solving your problem of understanding how long to cook things for, as well as featuring things like dehydrating your leftover herbs and spices, so you don't end up throwing that half a basil because you needed it for one recipe and you've got loads left over. This is the ultimate guide for multi-cookers. Like I mentioned, it works for the Instant Pot, air fryer, multi-cooker, flex drawer, Ninja Speedy, and lots of other electric pressure cookers and different Ninja foodies as well. It's the jack of all for all of them, so you'll be really impressed with how many kitchen gadgets this covers. And when we were testing it, we did so with several air fryers, Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 and 15-in-1, as well as our Instant Pots and such like. So it's brilliant for understanding all the cooking times for these various different kitchen gadgets, because we don't all have the same machines, do we? And don't forget to also head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have lots of different kitchen gadget recipes based on the recipe timings that you see here. These are your go-to, and just remember that, and it's perfect for learning how to use your multi-cooker.
When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the Multicooker Cooking Guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedi, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description.
Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.